Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating, and for some, terrifying world of spiders. With over 45,000 known species, these eight-legged critters are some of the most diverse and successful predators on the planet. From the weavers of intricate webs to the hunters that stalk their prey on foot, spiders have evolved an incredible array of strategies to survive and thrive. So, grab a comfy seat, maybe not too close to any dark corners, as we explore the different types of spiders you might encounter. First up, let's talk about the architects of the arachnid world, the orb weavers. You've definitely seen their work. These are the classic, beautiful, spiral-shaped webs that glisten with dew in the morning. Spiders in the Araneae family, like the common garden spider or the striking yellow and black Argiope, are masters of this craft. They build these sticky traps to catch flying insects. The spider usually hangs out in the center of the web or hides nearby, holding onto a signal line. When an unsuspecting fly or moth blunders into the net, the vibrations travel down the silk, alerting the spider that dinner is served. But not all spiders rely on webs. Let's move on to the ambush predators, the crab spiders. These guys are the chameleons of the spider world. Belonging to the family Thomisidae, they don't build webs to catch food. Instead, they use camouflage. Many species can change their body color over a few days to match the flower they're sitting on, whether it's white, yellow, or pink. They sit perfectly still, with their front two pairs of legs held out wide, just like a crab, waiting for a pollinator, like a bee or a butterfly, to visit the flower. When the prey gets close enough, they strike with lightning speed, grabbing it with their powerful front legs. It's a game of patience and perfect disguise. Next, we have the athletic and intelligent jumping spiders from the family Salticidae. These are my personal favorites. They are the largest family of spiders, and they are visual hunters with some of the best eyesight among all arthropods. Instead of spinning webs for prey, they actively stalk their target. You'll often see them on walls, plants, or windowsills, moving in short, jerky bursts. They can leap incredible distances, sometimes over 50 times their own body length, to pounce on their prey or escape from danger. They even perform elaborate courtship dances. Their curious nature and big, forward-facing eyes give them a unique, almost charismatic personality that sets them apart. Now, let's venture into the shadows to meet the wolf spiders. These robust and agile hunters from the Lycosida family are webbers. They don't spin webs either, but are relentless pursuers. With their excellent night vision, they hunt actively after dark, running down beetles, crickets, and other spiders. If you've ever gone out at night with a flashlight and seen tiny, glittering diamonds on the ground, you were likely looking at the reflected light from a wolf spider's eyes. Female wolf spiders are also known for their maternal care. They carry their egg sacs attached to their spinnerets and, after the spiderlings hatch, carry them on their backs until they are ready to fend for themselves. Moving on, we have the funnel weavers, members of the Aguilena family. These spiders construct dense, non-sticky, sheet-like webs with a funnel-shaped retreat at one end, usually in grass, shrubs, or the corners of buildings. The spider hides in the narrow end of the funnel. When an insect stumbles onto the flat sheet of the web, the spider dashes out at incredible speed, grabs its prey, and pulls it back into the funnel to eat. The common grass spider is a perfect example. Their webs are often very noticeable in the early morning when covered with dew, blanketing lawns and bushes. Of course, we can't talk about spiders without mentioning some of the more infamous ones. Let's discuss the widow spiders, part of the genus Latrodectus. The most famous is the black widow. These spiders prefer dark, undisturbed places like woodpiles, sheds, or under eaves. They build messy, irregular, tangled webs. While their venom is potent, these spiders are generally very shy and non-aggressive. Bites usually only happen when the spider is accidentally pressed against someone's skin, like when putting on a shoe or a glove where a spider has been hiding. It's important to be cautious in areas they inhabit, but they are not out to get you. Another medically significant group is the recluse spiders, genus Loxosceles. The brown recluse is the most well-known. True to their name, they are reclusive and prefer to hide in dark, quiet, and dry locations like closets, attics, and basements. They are nocturnal hunters and wander at night searching for food. Similar to widow spiders, they are not aggressive and bites are rare, typically occurring when the spider is trapped against the body. A key identifying feature, if you can get close enough to see it, is the violin-shaped marking on their cephalothorax, which gives them the nickname fiddleback spider. They also have 6 eyes arranged in pairs, unlike the 8 eyes of most spiders. Let's switch gears to something a bit bigger, the tarantulas. These are the heavyweights of the spider world. Belonging to the family Theraphacidae, tarantulas are large, hairy spiders that inspire both fear and fascination. Most are nocturnal hunters that live in burrows. They don't use webs to catch prey, but will line their burrows with silk. While their size is intimidating, New World tarantulas, those from the Americas, have a primary defense mechanism that isn't their bite. When threatened, they use their back legs to kick tiny, irritating hairs from their abdomen into the air. Their venom is generally mild, comparable to a bee sting. Then there are the trapdoor spiders. These are ancient master engineers. They construct burrows in the ground with a perfectly camouflaged hinged door made of soil, vegetation, and silk. The spider waits just under the door for unsuspecting prey, like an insect or small arthropod, to walk by. When it detects the vibrations of its victim, it bursts out, grabs the prey, and drags it back into its burrow in the blink of an eye. The whole process is so fast, you'd miss it if you weren't watching closely. They are a testament to the incredible ingenuity found in the spider kingdom. Finally, let's look at a common household resident, the cellar spider, also known as the daddy longlegs spider, not to be confused with harvestmen or crane flies, which share the same nickname. These spiders from the Pholcidae family have incredibly long, thin legs and small bodies. They build loose, irregular webs in corners, basements, and, you guessed it, cellars. They are beneficial because they eat other spiders, including potentially more dangerous ones like black widows, as well as mosquitoes and other insects. When their web is disturbed, they have a peculiar habit of vibrating rapidly, making themselves and their web a blur to confuse potential threats. So, from the patient weavers to the speedy hunters, the camouflaged ambushers to the burrowing engineers, the world of spiders is incredibly diverse. Each type has a unique lifestyle and plays a vital role in its ecosystem, primarily by controlling insect populations. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more content about the natural world, and let me know in the comments which type of spider you find most interesting. See you in the next one.